I mentioned in a previous movie that most teachers will force you to comment your work extensively. Just to reiterate, in the real world programming, commenting all of your code is not a realistic expectation, so I'm not going to focus a lot on it. However, that does not mean that you should not know how to comment. As far as I'm concerned, commenting is a personal thing, and one of those personal standards that is up to you to develop. Some programmers I know comment an entire script before they lay out even one line of code. Some comment along the way with reminders or even notes to themselves, and some I know have never written one comment line in their life. It is a personal choice and up to you to decide how you want to comment. There are two main styles of comments in PHP. The first one is simply two backslashes right next to each other. That denotes that everything to follow on that line is a comment. Note that I said everything to follow on that line. As soon as the interpreter hits a new line or line break, it terminates that comment. You can see an example of a single line comment in this script. You can also see an example of how a single line comment can be used after a statement. But as soon as you hit a line break, the interpreter no longer considers it a comment. The next style of comment is a multi-line comment. This comment starts with a backslash followed by an asterisk. This is the opening comment tag. Everything between this and the closing comment tag, which is an asterisk followed by a backslash, is considered to be a comment. This can span one or more lines throughout the script. Comments are useful not only for making notes, but also for debugging scripts. If you're trying to find out what line of code may be causing you problems, you can comment out a single line, or you can comment out a group of lines or statements with the multi-line comment. When code or text is commented out, the interpreter will not execute or display that code in any way at all. You'll not see it in the browser source, and the interpreter will not even check it for correct formatting. It will not produce execution errors for any bad code in it at all, which makes it very handy to use comments to debug code that is not working correctly.